How to purchase and install games on Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S console. So whether you have a Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S, the process of buying, downloading and installing games on your Xbox console will be pretty much the same. So first of all, on your Xbox console homepage, you need to visit to the store, and here under it, you will see browse the store option. You can go there as well. Also at the top right to my games and apps, you have store option. So select on it, and that will land you in the official Microsoft Xbox store, and here you can purchase your games. So right now, as you can see, they have Black Friday sales going on, and they have really good discounts on games right now, and here always you can find any kind of sales and discounts. And if you have Game Pass, then you might have more discounts here. Now let me show you how you can buy a games. You can buy any games here. Here you can scroll down and navigate the store, and you can select any games that you want to buy. Also now, as we have Black Friday sales, we can select on it. And here we have all the games that have good discounts on them. And you can select any of this game and you can proceed to buy. And if you don't find your preferred game in this list, then the best option for us to search the game. So let's go back. And here we have the search option. So let's select the search. And here, search the game that you want to buy. I want to buy Forza Horizon 4. This is one of the best racing game of all time, and it is getting delisted in the December. So I want to buy it before it get delisted. And once it get delisted, you won't be able to buy it digitally. Only option you will be left with just buying it physically. And by then the price will be increased a lot. So here I'm gonna type Forza. And it will show all the Forza games available on the store right now. Now here we have Forza Horizon 4. So let's select on it. Once you selected your games, you might have different type of edition depend on the game. If the game have any kind of DLCs and all the stuffs, then you will have different type of edition here. Here I'm gonna just buy the standard edition. So I'm gonna keep it selected as standard, and let's press A on controller. Once you selected the game, here you will have buy option. So select on buy. And that will bring you to the payment section. If you have already added payment method on your Xbox console, then you would see your payment method here. I don't have added any payment method on my Xbox console yet. So here let's click on add a way to pay. Now if you have any kind of Xbox gift card, then you can buy the game using the gift card as well. But I'm gonna be buying it using my debit or credit card. So here let's select on add a way to pay again. And here we have credit cards or debit card options. Now here let's click on credits or debit card. And that is now you can add your credit or debit card to your Xbox console, and with that you can buy your games. So here first you need to enter your card holder name, and then below it you have to enter your card number, and then under it you have to enter your card's expiry month, expiry year and CVV. So let me quickly fill up my card details real quick. Once you entered your card details accurately, under it click on next. And then you will need to add your billing address, and while creating your Xbox or Microsoft account, you must have added your address, so it will be automatically selected, or if it is not, then you have to enter your address here. Now once you entered your address, again here in this page, click on next. And now here click on save. As you are doing it for first time adding your payment method to your Xbox console, here it will ask you to verify your card, and you have to verify your credit or debit cards by scanning a QR code on the next page. So here click on next. Now on your smartphone, if your camera app has QR scanner option, then you can use your camera as well, but the camera in my phone doesn't have that option. So here I have downloaded a QR scanner app. So let me open the app. And now let's scan this QR code. Once you scanned the QR code on your phone, if you are using a QR scanner app, then you will be landed in this page. And if you are doing it through your camera app, then that might directly open in the browser. And here we have the open option. So let's click on open. Once you've done that, you will be landed in your bank website, and here you have to enter the OTP that you receive on your phone number, which is linked to your bank account. So here let me enter the OTP real quick. Once you enter the OTP accurately, in this page, click on submit. And your Xbox will automatically redirect you to the payment confirmation page, and on your phone it will tell you to go back and purchase the game. So now in this page on your Xbox console, under payment, you will find your added credit or debit card, and once you successfully added your payment method to your Xbox console, now you can buy the game. Now here we have the buy option, so let's click on buy. And now you need to enter your credit or debit card CVV for verification. So let me enter my CVV code. Once you entered your CVV, which you can find on your backside of your credit or debit card, now here click on next. And again Xbox will tell you to verify your card, but you don't have to verify with the QR scanner. So here again let's click on next. And again that will land you in your bank's website, and here you can complete your payment. So again you will receive an OTP on your phone number, and here you have to enter the OTP in order to complete the purchase. So let me enter my OTP, and then let's click on submit. And that will redirect you to this page, and your purchase will be completed. And you can see I have successfully purchased Forza Horizon 4 on my Xbox console, and now here I have the option to install the game. So here let's click on choose what to install. As I bought the standard edition, here I only have the base game and this Formula Drift car pack. And if you buy a different edition of game, then here you might have different options like DLC, season pack, all those stuff. Now to install the game, let's click on this checkbox. Also let me select on this add-on, and right to it we have the install option. So let's click on install. Once you clicked on install, that will land you on the manage queue option, and here you will see your game is being installed. And once the installation complete, you can run the game. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can buy and install games on your Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S console. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a like and comment in this video. And if you want to remove your credit or debit cards from your Xbox console, then watch this video, and I will see you in the next one.